Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to care for yourself. Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of rest each night. Proper hydration is also key. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day. Incorporate short mindfulness exercises, even just 10 to 15 minutes, to help manage daily stressors and improve your focus. These simple steps form a strong foundation for overall well-being. Nurturing your body involves consistent physical activity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days, like brisk walking or cycling. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, emphasizing plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Try to limit processed foods and sugary beverages, as these can negatively impact your energy and overall health. Small, consistent changes make a big difference. Taking care of your mental and emotional health is crucial. Make time to connect with friends and family. Strong social bonds are incredibly supportive. Pursue hobbies that genuinely bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment, whether it's reading, painting, or gardening. Additionally, practicing gratitude daily can significantly shift your perspective, helping you appreciate the good things in your life. Sustaining your well-being also means setting healthy boundaries in all your relationships. This protects your energy and ensures you have space for yourself. Remember, it's perfectly okay to seek professional support if you're struggling with persistent mental health challenges. There are many resources available. And hey, while you're thinking about comfort, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Investing in yourself is always a smart move.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.